All right. So now that you guys are on number 13, we are going to create a GitHub repository. So only one of you guys is going to create a GitHub repository. So Frank, I want you to create a GitHub repo. What do you think? Wait. All right. That'll be nothing. All right. Yeah, public. And then you're going to add both Lucas and Edgar as collaborators. So to do that, you're going to go to your repo. And to do that, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, oh shoot, this is the private repo that you guys are not allowed to see. Yeah, that was for UCLA, you guys. I don't know why they're so strict about it, but okay. I guess. It's actually way more than that. The boot camp's gonna cost like a lot of money. It's like 24 weeks. So yeah, June 20th to like December. Well, no, it's gonna be more than two classes. It's 2 quarters, yeah. So across 2 quarters, yeah. Um, transfer ownership, blah blah blah. Okay, so you go to settings in your repository, then go to collaborators. So okay, so let me go back on this. So you go to your repository, and then you go to settings, which is gonna be over here. You guys see settings? And then, and now you guys are collaborators. And now you're gonna type the username of each person that's in your group. See Edgar123. Okay, so I found him. So hopefully you can find him and then hit enter. And then you're gonna type in Lucas. What just happened? Okay, so have both of them been added? Okay, so now, hmm? No, oh, actually, yeah, do add me. OSP123. No, I'm the CTO, remember? So I'm in charge of the company. You're fired. You're fired. Fired. You're fired. Okay. Um, okay, so have you guys created a new repository, named it and everything? You guys added people to it? Wait, what? So now what I want you guys to do is you guys are going to, instead of doing what's over here, from the local Git repository. Yeah, so each, actually, yeah, you guys are going to add the remote. So do number 16. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just gonna be that one. So the question is, for the username, what do we type in? You're just gonna copy that URL that you got from Frank. Actually, uh, mm, no, okay, Frank. I want you to set this up. So you're gonna type in that get remote add origin, that URL, and then once he sets it up, then you guys are gonna well, you guys need to do this eventually anyway. Yeah, no, you guys are gonna need to do this anyway. Yeah. So you guys are gonna need to use that get remote add origin and then that URL anyway. Yeah. It's gonna be the one that was auto generated for Frank when he created that get a repository. So you can just copy and paste that and just send it to them if you want, or they can just look at it. Did it? No, it didn't break anything. Hmm? Your your temporary reinstatement for right now, temporarily. Okay. Yeah. No pay though. No. And Frank's your boss from now on. Okay, so we all set up? Well, you guys aren't going to push yet because if you guys all push your code to master, then it'll mess things up, right? So now instead, I want Lucas and yes, exactly. So Lucas is going to create a new branch and Edgar is going to create a new branch and they're going to push up their branches to the GitHub repository. And then from there, you guys are going to create pull requests and you're going to assign Frank the pull request. Frank is going to check to see if the code is good. If it is, then he's going to merge those changes into master. Yeah.
Yours is git branch Edgar. Git push origin. Git push origin Lucas. And then we're gonna push toward our new branch, right? Foster.
Yes.
It wasn't a step. Oh my god, it's asking me for a username. How dare you? You sure I can do this? Do I have these permissions? Git push origin, then the name of your branch. I totally better forget all of this by next Friday. Let's get git branch and see what branches we have. How many typos can I have? I already pushed my shit. Alright, I pushed that baby up. Now you check if it's alive and breathing or not. Alright, you got all of these. Oh my god, my request was pushed a whole day ago? Holy crap. Douchebag. I've been waiting for a whole day. GitHub has this little status thing. Its timer is not on point, but at least they're all there. Like it says I did this from the past.
The base should always be master. So you needed to push up to master first.
Did we break it?
No,
I thought you said we
there's
weren't
no master
supposed to.
branch. No, Frank was.
Oh,
Yeah, so Frank has to push up to master. I don't think I told him that though.
No.
So Frank, you have to push up to master. Don't worry about it. That hasn't happened yet.
Frank, you haven't broken it.
I'm like making this up as I go, by the way. Because I'm trying to recreate a workflow of what would happen at work, and I'm trying to go away from what exists right now in here.
Push origin master.
Mm-hmm.
Kaboom. Getting this git code going. Cool, I have more stuff to put on my resume by the time I'm done with this. Oh no, what'd you do? Did you create a git project to begin with? Go to your files. You find it. You want your bind?
Yeah, we all created one together.
Yeah, man, it should be there. Alright, you got your text in there? Okay, he's having problems pushing. He had a fatal error. His computer died. So he died giving birth.
Mm-hmm. What was the fatal error?
Fatal origin does not appear to be a git repository.
Did you add the git remote?
I believe I did.
Type in git remote dash v. So git space remote space dash v.
V is in Vixen.
Mm-hmm.
It gave us a whole bunch of stuff, including everything that starts with OR, which I'm thinking is origin. Tech support.
I'm not tech support. I'm the CTO.
Remember
Remember place intern. Dash v. Yeah. Enter. There we go. So that should be the right place, right? And then when you type keychain is not saving it. That's all.
He didn't get the awesome pop-up like I did. Why not? Make sure you get fired today. Tell me your password. Read up, Edgar. Smartwatch, brand new MacBook, brand new Surface.
Not a
Surface?
Surface.
No, it's not. That's iPad. That's large iPad, right?
It's iPad giant. It's the TV,
Yeah.
television.
Is it your iPhone 6S? I may have something that says that's a flag.
Flag.
Is that for Apple?
Yeah.
Apple.
It can run Windows.
That's awesome.
10 and 7. My Windows account is my iCloud.
So up to you. Get your password. Alrighty.
I remember holding just all the Nokias.
20, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then we have an update for it. What are the FCC modules? Oh, that's our homework stuff. Free code. That I was talking about federal code.
Not yet.
That's about it.
Or the Federal Communications Commission. Committee? No, it was commission.
Committee.
FCC. Let's see. The
Oh man, that was horrible.
wow, this is really slow. Federal Communications Commission.
You're fired.
Twice in one day.
In one day.
You see how FCC
Yeah. I wonder if that's on purpose. Or maybe if Comedy Central did that on purpose. Anyway. Okay, so now that you guys all have it in one place, so from here...
We're still working on the password, aren't we?
Did you forget the password?
He totally forgot his password. Boss, we can't work anymore.
Frank, now you're fired.
Yeah, you're fired.
Edgar, you're in charge.
I am?
Figure out the password.
What?
Edgar?
Use keychain now?
His keychain was...
I don't think the keychain's gonna help.
it didn't help, yeah. Not only that, but the password is going to be invisible. So you're not going to be able to see it.
Wait, on keychain?
Mine wasn't.
Yeah, you can. You can see the keychain.
No, not on your keychain. On your terminal. When you type in a password into a terminal, it shows up invisible.
No, I'm saying, well,
On your keychain, you can see it by just typing in your admin password, and then you'll be able to see anything.
Oh, yeah, you got it on your keychain? Why not? Why don't you have it on your keychain?
you should always carry your keys.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna move on. So that was what I wanted you guys to learn. So our project update that you guys are gonna do along with the project update for week 1 is very simple. You guys already finished part 1. Part 2 is initiate a Git repository in your project folder. So in your real project folder for your project that you guys are gonna create, do a Git init. Stage the changes that are in there. So you probably need at least one file.
Step 16 through 26?
What? There's no 16 through 26. There's just 4 steps that I'm listing.
No, I mean...
Oh, those. Yeah. Because we already did that. These are just in-class general exercises. I just wanted you guys to understand like the process. We actually just finished all this.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So you guys are going to initiate a Git repository in project folder. Then you're going to stage your changes. You're going to commit your changes. You don't have to push it up to GitHub. And then, if you're in Web Design 2, you're going to complete all these jQuery modules.
That's us.
Yeah, you guys are in Web Design 2, not Interactive Design 2.
What if I already did them? Is that?
Then you're set.
Alright.
Yeah.
What if I did the whole thing? I already know how to do that.
Wait, how much did you do?